You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. Alright, on this quick episode of DIYNate, we are going to be trying to remove this van seat. It actually has this section and another section in the middle that kind of uses for the middle seat. I've seen other videos on how to remove the other side, but we're going to try this one out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to slide the seat all the way up using this little lever here. We're going to pull the seat all the way up as far as we can get it. Next move we're going to do is we're going to take this lever here and we're going to lift that part up. The whole seat should come up, and here you'll see a lever on the middle right here, and we're going to pull that lever up, and hopefully with that we can lift this whole section out if we can. This is going to be great because I need to put the lawnmower in my car, and we want to make sure that fully detaches. There we go. Now we got this whole middle section out, and we will be able to put that aside. We should be able to get room for our lawnmower right in there. You are going to want to leave this bracket in, and later when we put it back, we're going to line this up, these grooves, up with the outside. In fact, on the side here you should see there's a line here, and we'll line that up and we'll slide that back in right on top. So that's how you get your seat out. We'll probably shoot a second part of this video to get the seat back in, but that's how you do it. All right, so we're gonna put our mower in that spot we just used. This is a Ryobi 40-volt lawnmower. So we're just gonna take it, and we're gonna pull our latch up here, give us some space. See how well this works. If I created enough space for the mower to go in, fingers crossed I did. Pull this guy right in here. All that storage space opens up quite a bit of room, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that door. That's great transport space, so excited to be able to use that space to get a lawnmower over there. So just took the seat out, put the lawnmower in, we're good to go. You've been watching DIYNate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, here are a couple more YouTube things you might like. Thanks again for watching.